I am Sriraman. I am doing my BTech in SRM University, Katangulathur. My BTech course is mechanical engineering. I chose refrigeration and air conditioning in NPTEL. The exam was easy. It was decent, and if you are prepared well, you can do it. You can do it. You can perform better. My future aim is to uh, study somewhere about mechanical and do any job related to mechanical.